Okay, welcome back. What we want to look at is the environmental protection legislations, okay, and relevant regulations that applies to this. Now, you need to bear in mind that you have to know this. You cannot guess it. You cannot think that you know it. You must know it, okay? You must do additional research in regards to the HSE website. See what has changed and what has been updated. So keep ahead and abreast of events. There are still some changes to take place yet, because we don't quite know how Brexit will affect our relationship in regards to the IEE regs. But keep that in mind, okay? Now you can read this for yourself. You don't need me to be reading this out to you at all. Okay? Now again, bear in mind that this applies to the United Kingdom as a whole, okay? Oh, sorry about that. Your duty of care. This applies to all employers. This bit here is a reference to the hazardous substance note that you can fill in, and I've put it there purely so you can refer to it when you log onto the website, HSE website, okay? Now do the questions, okay? It prepares you for the on-site test that you will be required to do at a stage in time, or for the additional assignments you will be doing, okay? Okay, I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.